Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with Xiaomi 13. And to do this we'll need to open our camera, then go for more. Right here you should find Pro mode. You can click on this button right here to add it to the list. Now let's open this mode. Then go for the lens and select the TLE. That's something like a macro mode. It's not strict macro, but it works kind of like it. Now we need to pick the object we want to take macro photo of and make sure it has a very good light. And now adjust your phone so that it catches the image in focus. It may take a bit of the practice. Then click on the shutter when you're ready, and that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.